All right. All right. Said, Grinch in my soul, Grinch is in my soul. Now I'm talking about I don't like you. Oh. Saying Grinch in my soul, Grinch in my soul, but I do not go like you. The Grinch in my soul, Grinch in my soul, but I'm doing what I do. Hey, saying a Grinch in my soul, Grinch in my soul, 'cause that's what I will go do. Yes, I go do. Since Santa want me to be nice, but I don't have time for that. For that. Santa want me to be nice, but I'm gonna kick all of that. Kick on that. Send that Grinch in my soul, yes, in my soul. Now I will rock what I rock. That I rock. 'Cause I'm over here doing everything while you go and get window shop. Window shop. Talk about if you was nice, you would get a present, but you take my cookies. My cookies. Said, do you know I like to eat all my cookies? Hey. Said, when you ate all my cookies and I didn't get my skills, none of them. Now I say you over there naughty on all of them. Alright, said Santa don't like me because I just telling the truth. Yes, the truth. Saying, oh, what you will do. I'm coming, I'm here for you. Just for you. Saying that I am the Grinch and I don't want no one to be happy. Let's go. Saying I'm over here hitting you with everything and you nappy. Let's go. Saying Grinch is in my soul, but Santa don't like me. Don't like me. So I'm over the here and now, busting them up with baby. With baby. Saying no winning, they say that we got the words that we do. That we do. Can we go and tell all of the people, oh yes, it was true. It was true. Saying the Grinch ate the motion and Santa just swallowed the pill. Yes, that pill. Santa got sick and the Grinch got his fill, and yes, it's the deal. Yes, the deal. Saying no, when I cook, the Santa would not go there. Going down. Saying no, now and I'm over here pulling it out his hair. Yes, his hair. Saying the Grinch isn't in me, but now that I said I feel good. Feeling good. Saying I'm bursting at Santa and I say I wish that dude would. Yes, he would. So now we going to come over with a different part because it's what we do. And we're going to talk about that Santa going to come for all of you. And it's going to look like this. All right. Here we go, here we go. Saying ho, 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 everybody want the motor when I coming down. Saying I could be the Santa over here to give and give it to the all the town. If you acting nice, I give you this and that, and now you saying I'm liking what you do. Got the Grinches over there that acting kinda naughty, trying to bring them up too. Saying don't do that, don't do that. Yeah, we need to have a smile. All the little kids is over there going to sleep but trying to get a present now. Saying now that you over here the end, you saying now that you acting nice. Trying to be nicer for the whole year because that's what's really nice. Saying that yes, I eat your cookie and I drink your milk, and then I coming down the wood. Coming down the other chimney to everybody saying I'm not to get this stuck. Now I'm doing this and I'm doing that. They saying the Santa isn't in my thing. Just I'm throwing on my beard and now the people saying that now you know the what I mean. Saying now that I'm Santa over here, that I want to come and give you all the joy. Everybody telling me that yes, I'm over here, that yes, I want to get some more. Get some more to over here to show the kids and the father and the girls again. Let me tell you about the other people when I say that yes, I want to own this. Say, hey. Saying what I want to say. Saying, hey. Saying what I want to say. Saying, hey. Saying what I want to say. Saying, hey. Saying what I want to say. I said the Grinch, you want to go against the Santa, but you know I got all the toys. Saying yes, I'm over here, they got the goods, and I also got all the gold. Got the gold, got the people smiling, got the people looking up for me. Other people saying where the Grinch is over there, the why you wearing all the green. But I'm not going to be the negative, I want to come just to bring you up. Now I'm going over here to come around and giving people what a virtual hug. Now I'm cooking over here, the cooking down, I'm cooking up, I'm cooking in the streets. Everybody's over here, then now I'm over here, then now you want to follow me. Saying the yes, I sound the J, the yes, I've been the good, the yes of what I really like. Saying I'm over here, I'm not the evil, trying to go over there to start a fight. Trying to go and spread the love and pick a person up, and just so I can see them grow. Saying I could get some more toys because I'm making me happy though. Saying, hey, that's what I do. Saying I could be the Santa over here to just for you. Santa bears me, the person with the dream. That everybody's over here to let me say the what you want to see. Let's go. Saying, if you want a cookie, then you're gonna get shade. Gonna get the Santa over here to get the Santa coming over here today. Saying you wanna be the happy, some is happy over, now you happy on the rhyme. Saying that yes, I'm over here and I'm about to put you on the nice like it every time. Saying that now you're seeing everything and I see you even when you sleep. Even when you're around the corner doing everything that you don't want to see. But I'm over here doing this and that and I'm wishing you but the best. Saying that yes, I'm over here and I'm doing everything and when I put it to the test. Saying the Santa versus Grinch and the Grinch versus Santa, not no go in the game. Now I'm over here to trying to pick them up, I put them up in their own game. Saying that I am the Santa coming over here to come and just with the joy. Everybody saying you want the joy to every day, but now you want to get some more. Saying the more around the world, people around the world, some are going on a cruise. Some of people's over there in the garden and they say they want to keep it true. Now you keep it true to every day, and now you saying that this is what I want to see. Calling me the Santa over here, and the people want to say, ooh wee. Saying the Santa versus Grinch versus Santa, but they want to get the cook. Want the cookies over here, they coming over here, but you know not a crook. Coming over here to ask for the little gift, but so I give it back to you. Saying that yes, I'm over here, that yes, I am the J, that yes, I keeping it true. Saying the Santa versus Grinch versus Santa, now that you want to know. Saying I'm over here today talking about the people coming up at my door. Saying that if you coming at my door, I will come and just to come with my joy. Got my Jordan over here, and now the joy is over there to pour some more. Saying the sound of birds are green, catching bird the sound of but it's not even match. But it's still I'm over here, I'm about to doing this, so while I'm on to hold my hand. Even though the center's over there, the different color, different shots, and different shapes. Long as you there, you got the sound of making you happy, but you know we're not late. Santa birds are green, green first Santa, but now you know me. Now that everybody's over here, now the hope of people just are happy. Santa birds are green, Grinch birds are Santa, but you know what we do. We the person over here, and in the light today, and I hope you're happy too.